French toast spots are where it's at, but I am not buying them from the store because they are expensive and they have zero flavor. But these are the best French toast I've ever had. In a large bowl, crack 6 eggs, add a dash of milk and a tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You'll need 6 to 8 slices of bread. This is so bomb if you use homemade bread, but for this purpose, I just used regular bread. Slice them into 9 quadrants like this, and you'll have little bitty tiny bites. After you get those going, go over to either a skillet or a hot plate. I have like a little small electric griddle that I use, and it works perfect for this, and get you some butter melted. And I turn this on like medium high. Once that's all melted and gets all bubbly and looks delicious, you'll drop those babies into that mixture, swirl them around, and get them fully coated. You want these to have all of that flavor on there. I use a pair of tongs that I didn't have shown here to get them out, and it works so much better. You'll want to do this pretty fast and get those all coated and then lay them on there, and you want to do this until they are crispy on each side. Not burnt, but crispy. You want to like fill it with the fork or something and it's like, you know, the sound of deliciousness, of course. Once you get to that crispy, beautiful color, you'll go ahead and plate those up and eat. Let me know if you try this and what you think about it.